So ngayon guys ay celebration ng Seafarers Day sa dito sa barko. So pagpasok mo pa lang sa entrance, in the entrance you can see the decoration of the entrance guys. Look at this. Tara pasukin natin kung maraming pagkain. Alright guys, so ito na yung decoration pagpasok mo pa lang so you can see the entrance. And then guys, so here yan, medyo may sounds pero okay lang kasi short video lang naman tayo. So dito pa lang sa ay may logo na ng Royal Caribbean, itong malaki happy Seafarers Day. Ayan o. Nice. So on this side as well, there's a glass decoration guys. Look at that. Wow. Guys, what guys, dito sa bilang side dito makita natin yung napakaraming pagkain, iba't iba. Mayroon pa siyang napakalaking cake guys. Ito na, panoorin nyo So ayun guys, look at that. Wow, nice. So started from here, happy Seafarers Day. Kasi pabaligtad tayo ng video, dapat dito magsimula. Happy na Seafarers, di ba? Oh, di ba? Cake ito, ha? Ito ay cake. Cake yan, ha? Yun. Nice. Look at that. A lot. Until there. The food is until there. Look at that. Ensimada. Mga salad-salad pa. Then they have a lot of variety of breads guys, differently. Ensimada, of course, di mawawala ang ensimada yan. Nice. Talagang pinahalagahan ng ating marino yung Seafarers Day guys, diba? Nice. Biryani guys na napakalaking kawa Of course, di mo papatalo si chicken, roast chicken, saka lechon. Of course, di mo papatalo ang ating fried rice.